evening, Narayan.
Hello.
So it's good, you are in Sagar Clinic in Bangalore, Indiranagar branch, and you have taken our weight reduction program. Could you please share your experience when you started the program? What was your weight and what's your weight today, and how was the journey?
Okay. Yeah. See, I mean, actually, Dr. Ashwini came out to my company, and we are all curious to know it was a program about some weight loss and reduction.
Where do you work, Narayan?
I work for Cognizant Technologies.
Okay.
Okay. So my challenge was, it was it was for the past 7 years. I've been running continuously and doing a lot of exercises and stuff. But what happens is, yes, sometimes the weights used to come down, but when I stopped certain things, it used to again grow up.
Okay.
And I had a problem, and for the past 2 to 3 years, the weight was constantly fluctuating between 88 to 92 kgs.
Mm-hmm.
And irrespective of the fact that not a single day I didn't did any workout. Like I used to always run, do some exercise and things like that.
Mm-hmm.
But it was not getting below 88 at all. I
Mm-hmm.
tried a lot of things. I used to follow a non-diet kind of stuff, irregular diet. I used to
Mm-hmm.
sometimes skip lunch. I used to sometimes skip break. Most of the time I used to skip breakfast, and
Mm-hmm.
but that's nothing worked out. Maybe a 1 hour kg one day it will be less, and then again it used to come back. So that is why when I saw the program of Ashwini, he gave us a lot of pointers. The first point what he told is about the loss of protein. I mean, the protein which is very necessary for the fat loss, and consumption of water was very much less.
Mm-hmm.
I realized that I should have taken at least 4 liters per day,
Mm-hmm.
but I hardly remember taking 1 liter in a day, and I
Mm.
never used to realize all those kind of small things.
Okay.
And this is why at the end of the program, I immediately wanted to take his consulting and see
Okay.
how the result happens,
Hmm.
how it happens.
Okay.
I just wanted to take a chance, like I was anyway trying every day, nothing worked out. Since
Hmm.
Ashwin is talking about reduction of more than 7 kgs in 2 months,
Mm-hmm.
and that too without doing any exercise. That was the
Mm-hmm.
key point for me, without sweating much.
Okay.
So that is the one which actually took my interest, and I think I enrolled even within first half an hour, 15 minutes of
Okay.
the meeting.
Hmm.
And just that's it, and it was very cool. Next day I get a mail with some diet plans and all,
Okay.
and I had a consulting almost every 2 to 3 days. Actually used to call me and inquire how the program is working out for me.
Mm-hmm.
And believe me, every week I used to lose almost like 1 kg.
Mm-hmm.
And he was also being liberal with me some days when I had went for marriage and all,
Mm-hmm.
but still that didn't hamper my diet plan.
Hmm.
And at the end of this, for first month I lost almost only 3 kgs, 3 to 4 kgs.
Mm-hmm.
At the end of the 8th week, that is end of the 60th day, now I think when I check the reading in front of Ashwini today, I can see a difference of 10 kgs from the
Wow.
day I started to first check
Congratulations.
the weight in my office. So
Hmm.
I'm pretty much happy with the way things have happened with Ashwini, and I'm still have some more targets to achieve, and
Mm-hmm.
hopefully I should again come back to Ashwini to complete the target.
Good. So apart from the 10 kilo weight reduction in 2 months, what are the other benefit you got out from this program?
Yeah, the basic benefit I got is attention from my colleagues.
Okay.
They have seen a significant reduction in something which
Hmm.
has happened in just in a period of 2 months.
Okay.
Yes, and I believe basically I now found a formula of maintaining the weight, which is very essential.
Hmm.
Otherwise, I used to have some kind of diet which was not
Hmm.
unhealthy. In a way, I never realized it is going to cause some problem later. But that's a great advantage which I got from this
Hmm.
program. Basically, a kind of formula which I can use it for my lifetime.
That's good. So would you recommend this program to your loved
I
one?
have already recommended it, and already people have taken his number, and even I'm going to share his
That's
website
good.
and other details,
That's a
including my
good.
own manager.
Yeah,
To be
that's good. That's a beautiful feedback, and I'm so happy you hit your target, and you will maintain your good health by following those principles.
Sure.
Wish you all the best.
Thank you. Thank you, Akshini and his brother Alok.